India launched Operation Sindoor, a calibrated and high-precision military response to the Pahalgam terror attack, allegedly traced back to Pakistani handlers. It was swift, surgical, and sent shockwaves across the border. As tensions soared, a ceasefire was suddenly declared, but what followed was a diplomatic drama. It was a diplomatic tug-of-war involving four global players: the US, China, Pakistan, and India. Donald Trump was first off the blocks, declaring on Truth Social that it was Washington's mediation that brought the warring neighbors to the table. Trump claimed credit for brokering peace overnight. He praised both nations for their intelligence and common sense. But India rejected the claim and reportedly urged Beijing, which felt deliberately sidelined. New Delhi made it clear there was no mediation. India told Washington plainly any ceasefire would have to be a bilateral decision. India was responding to Pakistani aggression and made no request at all for external intervention. In Beijing, alarm bells were ringing. China, Pakistan's self-declared iron brother, was left in the cold. Hotlines buzzed between New Delhi, Islamabad, and Washington. But China wasn't called. Chinese officials were reportedly furious over Islamabad's turn to the US instead of Beijing. After Trump's post, Pakistan's foreign minister announced the ceasefire. But within hours, drones violated Indian airspace as Islamabad issued a second statement, this time after a call with China. It appeared to be a tactical pivot to appease Beijing. China quickly inserted itself into the narrative. Foreign Minister Wang Yi spoke with India's NSA Ajit Doval and later claimed that his outreach and not America's brought about de-escalation. India did not publicly comment on this. China moved fast. Wang Yi called both Islamabad and New Delhi. Statements followed. China praised Pakistan's restraint, reaffirmed support for its sovereignty, and urged de-escalation. India didn't respond to Beijing's version, but the drone incursions stopped shortly afterward. India clarified the ceasefire was strictly bilateral. Pakistan's DGMO made a formal request to India, which was accepted under firm conditions. India emphasized zero tolerance for terror, rejecting any third-party mediation. 2 days later, Trump claimed trade pressure led to the ceasefire. India's foreign ministry pushed back, stating that there was no mention of trade during the calls between PM Modi, NSA Doval, and US officials. 4 countries, 4 statements, but only one call mattered. Pakistan called India, and India responded. As China scrambles to assert influence and Trump races to claim headlines, India maintains the ceasefire was between two militaries, no third party needed. While power politics played out across continents, the real decision, it seems, was made quietly. For now, the guns have fallen silent, but the diplomatic noise? That's only just begun.